Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to reset keyboard to default settings on Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay guys, so if the keyboard on your cell phone has started to decrease in performance, then you can reset the keyboard settings for its recovery guys. So yeah, now I will show you how. Okay, first thing first, you can go to settings menu first, and here you can scroll down until the bottom and then go to general management guys. You can click for it, and then now you can go to Samsung keyboard settings. You can click for it, and then over here you can scroll down until the bottom guys. Yeah, you can scroll down till the bottom, and then you can click reset to default settings. So now you can click reset keyboard settings. And if you reset the keyboard settings, don't worry because it won't affect another settings guys. And when you have finished the reset keyboard, then all the function of the keyboard will return to normal guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to reset keyboard to default settings on Samsung Galaxy A25. And then thank you so much for watching.